Namaste and welcome to this video where I am showing you 2 crochet cowls. Do remember to check out my other videos on hand embroidery and art drawing painting on this channel. Cowl is like a neck warmer that is worn by men and women both. You can see in the pictures here, men also wear cowl. It is like a neck warmer. It can keep your neck, ear, head warm. Here are 2 patterns of cowl that I have made in 2 different types of yarn. The width of the cowl can be different. It can be of any width that you want it to be. I was just trying it out, so I made it in a reasonable size width. Here is a picture that shows you how a cowl can be worn in many different ways, and it can keep you warm as per your preference. Do you like to wear cowls? Have you seen the cowls? What are your opinions about it? Do share it in the comments below the video. Talk to you soon in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye. Take care.